How you guys doing today? Just wanted to show you guys something after the upgrade that we did to the power tubes. We came in here today and we started to test them out. So I put this trap together with this board behind it. This board is about let's measure it. I have a measuring tape right here. This board is about a little bit less than 3/4 of an inch. So we were shooting it and I had this board behind the trap. Look at that.
Flip it.
It went right through the board. Look at that. Now, this is engineered wood, but nonetheless, it's 3/4 of an inch, almost 3/4 of an inch of board. And it went right through it. And it hit my garage door right there. Ah, I'm dropping all the balls. I dropped all my balls, guys. So, that goes to show that these things do have a little bit of power. Right? I want to open this up. There's the rest of my balls. And then I guess one of them went through there. And that's the trap. Yes, this is plastic. This doesn't really matter. This is what left me surprised. This board. And like I said, I know this is manufactured wood, but still, it went through this board. So, they are dangerous. And that happened with these. Right there. That's how that happened. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up some of the, I'll probably cut this board to fit inside of the trap there. I'll probably cut it, put it in the trap with some cushioning in the back, and we can see what happened with it. That might be tomorrow's video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, if anything.